Hello everyone. Today we are going to read our poem The Road Not Taken, and this poem is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is a very well-known poet in English literature. In his each and every poem he gives a very deep message through very common and ordinary examples. In this particular poem also he takes an example of his own life to give his message, and the message of this poem is about making choices. The poet wants to convey that how much important our choices are in making our life. We should be very much careful in making choices because these choices shapes our life. In future, our life becomes that depends upon our choices. So let's read the poem. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shapes us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully. Insightfully means in a very intelligent manner about common ordinary experiences. What is told here that Robert Frost is a very famous poet and he gives very deep messages, very intellectual messages through very simple examples and in a very easy language. In the first stanza, what does the poet tells? Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. In the very first stanza, the poet says that he was going through a forest and he saw that there were two roads diverging into two different directions. He was confused that which road he should take. He was very in a situation of dilemma that which road is better to take. So what he did, he stood at a point in the forest and looked on both of the roads. He looked on both of the roads for a very long time. To where, and he looked on that particular road where it bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means small plants etc. झाड़ियाँ वगैरह जिनको हम ट्विग्स बोलते हैं. तो फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में क्या बताया है कि द पोएट जो है वो कहीं जा रहा था और टू रोड्स जो थे वो डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में सेपरेट हो रहे थे एंड ही वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड कि उसको कौन सा रोड अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए. तो वो क्या करता है, वो वहां खड़ा होके काफी देर तक, लंबे टाइम तक उन दोनों रोड्स को देखता रहता है. कहाँ तक? जहां तक उसकी नजर जाती है, जब तक कि वो रोड झाड़ियों में मुड़ नहीं जाता. देन व्हाट इन सेकंड स्टेंजा, then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. तो फिर after some time what the poet did, वो जो दूसरा रोड है उसको चूज करता है जो कि उतना ही फेयर मीन्स अच्छा, गुड. That road was also as good as the previous one. एंड हैविंग perhaps द बेटर क्लेम, और शायद उससे भी ज्यादा अच्छा होने का क्लेम कर रहा था. बिकॉज, और किस लिए ज्यादा अच्छा होने का क्लेम कर रहा था? बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी मच ग्रीन एंड फुल ऑफ ग्रास एंड वॉन्टेड वियर मीन्स नोबडी हैज गॉन ऑन दैट रोड. कोई भी उस रास्ते पे गया नहीं था, बिल्कुल फ्रेश था, हरा भरा था. दैट्स वाई इट वॉज वेरी नाइस. दो एज फॉर दैट, लेकिन वहां पे भी चलने के बाद व्हाट डज द पोएट रियलाइज दैट इट इज इक्वल टू द अनदर रोड. ये भी उतना ही चला गया है जितना कि दूसरा रोड है. पहले तो उसको जब तक उस पे वो चला नहीं था, ही रियलाइज दैट इट इज मोर गुड, इट इज बेटर देन द प्रीवियस वन. लेकिन जब वो उस पे चल के देखता है तब उसको क्या रियलाइज होता है कि ये भी पहले वाले रोड जैसा ही है, ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. और यही हमारी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में भी होता है कि जब हम चीजों को प्रैक्टिकली करके देखते हैं, देन वी फेस द रियल प्रॉब्लम्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर वे. अदरवाइज तो हमें दूर से देखने में तो हर एक चीज बहुत इजी लगती है. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा, and both the morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for the another day, yet knowing how way leads on to the way, I doubted I should ever come back. थर्ड स्टेंजा में व्हाट डज द पोएट टेल एंड बोथ द मॉर्निंग इक्वली ले. थर्ड स्टेंजा में पोएट बताता है कि सुबह क्या है कि दोनों ही जो रास्ते थे इक्वली ले का मतलब है कि दोनों पे बराबर पत्ते गिरे हुए थे. इन लीव्स नो स्टेप हैड ट्रोडन ब्लैक. ट्रोडन ब्लैक का मतलब है पैरों से कुचले जाना, और उन पे जो पत्ते गिरे हुए थे उनको पैरों से कुचला नहीं गया था और वो काले नहीं पड़े थे. ओ आई केप्ट द फर्स्ट फॉर द अनदर डे, and then the poet think that the first road he should keep it for some other day. कि जो पहले वाला रोड है वो किसी दूसरे दिन के लिए वो रखता है, फिर कभी देखेगा उस पे जाके. yet knowing how way leads on to the way, ये जानते हुए भी कि जो रास्ता उसने चूज किया है that way was very much confusing and he was doubtful that whether he will be able to come back or not. इतना ज्यादा रिस्की और मतलब कंफ्यूजिंग रोड उसको लग रहा था कि उसको इस बात का भी डाउट था कि पता नहीं वो वापस आ भी पाएगा या नहीं. बट स्टिल ही कंटिन्यूड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर रोड. लाइफ हमारी रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा ही होता है कि व्हेन वी चूज वन वे वन पाथ एंड वी केम टू फेस एनी डिफिकल्टी, देन सम पीपल ट्राई टू चेंज देयर पाथ. But some people continued on that difficult path. They faced the problems and they solved them heroically, or finally they get the success also. In the last stanza, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence. यहाँ पे ages and ages का मतलब है after many years. Two roads diverge in a wood and I took the one less traveled by and that has made all the difference. यहाँ पे wood का मतलब है forest. तो अब लास्ट स्टेंजा में पोएट क्या बताता है कि कई सालों बाद after so many years he would tell this story that once he was going through a forest and he has to choose one way out of two which are both similar. और क्या है कि उसने जो रास्ता चूज किया था, वो जो उसकी चॉइस थी, दैट उसकी वजह से क्या है कि आज उसकी लाइफ में जो भी डिफरेंस आया है, दिस डिफरेंस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज चॉइस दैट ही हैड मेड सो मेनी ईयर्स अगो. जो उसने काफी साल पहले एक चॉइस की थी रास्ते की, उसी वजह से आज उसकी लाइफ में इतना सारा डिफरेंस आया है. मतलब क्या है कि देखो, वी हैव टू चूज मैनी थिंग्स एट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. वी हैव टू चूज अबाउट विच सब्जेक्ट वी शुड लर्न, in which school we should go, and after that we have to choose our career option also. Most of the people follow their elders or they see that their friends, what their friends are doing, they should do the same thing. They simply think that people choose this particular path and they are successful also, so they should also go on the same path and they will be also successful. But this is not the way. They should give priority to their choices and interest and capacity also, according to their caliber and according to their interest. They should choose their path, and whatever problem they face on that particular path, they should not change their path. Only then they can succeed in their life. This is the only way to success. And this particular message the poet Robert Frost want to give in this poem, that our small choices are very important in shaping our life. We should be very much careful in making our choices. We should not blindly follow anyone in making our choices. Okay beta, so this is the poem. Learn this poem. If you face any difficulty, then please ask. Okay, have a nice day beta.